Hello and welcome back. Let's quickly see how we can sort a map data structure, this time by value. In the previous video we saw how to sort them by key. Now let's see how to sort them by value this time. It's going to help us also in our interviews. So let's quickly see that. There are different ways we can do that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first use the maybe stream API. We can apply an stream to the entry set of the of the map. Okay, I'll say map.entry set dot stream, get the stream of that, and I want to call the sorted method. It accepts a comparator. I will just pass a lambda function. I will say e1 entry 1 and entry 2, define my lambda expression, and I just want to say e1 dot get value. This time it's an integer, and say minus e2 dot get value, something like this. Okay, now we are passing comparing by values which are of type integer. Okay, and we can store it in a list, but now I just want to print it directly. Okay, consume that from the stream directly and just print that. Let's see, it is sorting that by value and ascending order. But if we want to do it in descending order, what we can do, we can either do something like this. I will say e2 dot get value minus e1 dot get value. Let's see, I just want to change the order of that. Now it's sorted in descending order by value. Or we can use the built-in methods inside the map.entry. I'll say map.entry dot comparing by value. Okay, if I take a look here, this is if I go here, this is a comparable. Okay, comparator, and we can pass that directly to our sorted method here. Okay, now it's going to sort our uh, values in ascending order. But how can we do that in descending order? Okay, can I call the reverse method here and change the reverse method? It's also a comparator, returning a comparator. I get an error. Why? Because as I said in the previous video, what happens here is by default this sorted method and its comparing value can infer the type of our entries. Okay, the type of entries in the stream. What is our type of entries? The type of entry or data in the stream is of type entry, which accepts a string and integer as key and value. Okay, so this is our type entry. It doesn't show here, here it shows here. Okay, this is our type, and this type can be inferred by compiler directly here. But as soon as we chain another method here, the reverse loses this type. It doesn't infer or cannot infer this type. Okay, what happens by default is something like this will happen if we don't give the type. It will provide the type like this. Our key type is a string, and our value type is integer, something like this. Okay, now no issue, no changes. By default the compiler is gonna do something like that. As soon as we need to chain another method, we have to manually provide this. See, we have to manually or explicitly tell the compiler that our type of entry is a string and integer. Okay, as a key value pair. Let's run it now. Now we can see it's arranging our map data structure in descending order by value. You can use a list to achieve the same thing if you just want to get the values. And let's see, I just need the values, for example, and I want to sort them. I can do something like this. I will just create an array list. My values are integer. I'll say list of integer. Let's call it list equal to new array list, something like this. And I just want to pass map dot values this time. Okay, once I get a list, I can print that. I can sort it in descending ascending order, however I want that. I just want to pass list. Let's say I get 2, 14. If I want to sort that, I can say list dot sort. I can pass comparator. Let's say I'll say a comma b and just return a minus b, something like this. Okay, it's going to sort the elements in ascending. If you want to sort it in descending, I'll say b minus a, something like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.